Hey Polk Nation, Wilson Whitley here. I'm a plumbing superintendent at the Methodist South Lake project. In our next honing skills workshop, we will be training with ProPress and MegaPress on both copper and steel. Here we have our ProPress, our MegaPress, also our tubing cutters and our reamer. First, we're going to make sure we have our proper PPE on. After that, we're going to start preparing our pipe by cutting and reaming it to make sure there are no burrs. Then you'll dry fit the fitting. The most important step is to mark the end of the pipe with a Sharpie around the edge of the fitting. This is to make sure you have full makeup when you press the fitting. Now we're going to press the fitting. First, we're going to inspect our jaws, making sure they are clean. Also, you want to make sure you have a full battery. After that, we're going to open up our jaws, place the fitting inside, make sure we are aligned squarely, and press start button. After you're done pressing the fitting, don't forget to write your employee ID on the pipe. This is so we can all admire your good craftsmanship. Come join us and our Viga representatives for a honing skills workshop. We will be honing our skills in ProPress and MegaPress. And also, don't forget your PPE, your gloves, and your glasses.